Hey lads, TechScanning here. So you may already be aware, OnePlus is preparing for its Cloud 11 event on the 7th of February to globally launch its OnePlus 11 and a bunch of other products. The brand is also gearing up to unveil its first ever OnePlus Pad. However, ahead of the launch, the leaked 3D renders unveiled the tablet in its full glory. So, looking at the renders, one can easily say it is in line with the official teaser shared by the company, where the tablet can be seen in the elegant green color. The tablet will have a metal unibody build, which is not only good for durability but also feels premium. The OnePlus Pad will be holding an 11.6 inches display surrounded by slim bezels, somewhat like on the high-end tablets. Further, it is said to have a higher 120Hz refresh rate display panel. Under the hood, the OnePlus Pad will hold some of the amazing specs for smooth and flawless performance, and we will see the Snapdragon 865 processor in action along with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Similar to many other Android tablets, the front cam is embedded on the right side bezel, making it convenient to use in landscape orientation like during video calls. The render shows the volume keys on the right, while there is a cutout on the left side which seems to be a place for housing the stylus. Moving to the back of the tablet, there is a major design difference between the OnePlus Pad and the other tablets. And so instead of giving the rear camera at one corner, OnePlus's first ever tablet will have a big camera module right in the middle near the edge along with an LED flash. At the moment, we are not sure if there are only one or a multiple camera sensors in the big camera module, but looking at the official renders, it seems like there will be only a single lens. Additionally, a report suggests that there will be a huge 10,090 mAh of battery with 45W fast charging support. Though there is no pinpoint pricing, but we could expect it to be priced between $250 to $300. There is not much known about the OnePlus Pad. However, there is still time for the launch, so we may have more details to pop out soon. Of course, I will keep you updated as more information will be available. So smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.